Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Realme Buds Q2S with any MacBook. So to do this, you have to input both earbuds inside the charging case, charge them for like 10 minutes with this USB-C port, and then when you do this, open this charging case. At the first, this indicator on the front will light up, and right now you just have to keep that case open and put it close to your MacBook. Then you have to go for the system settings. Next, open the Bluetooth. Turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and from the nearby devices list you have to select your Realme Buds Q2S. If you cannot find them on the list, just remember to also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.